here I am at the Yorkhaven hydroelectric plant on the catwalk again. The first time in a long time. Actually since, I think they closed it in 2020, just 3 years ago. And they finally opened it as of today. Wow, look at all that. Look at all those leaves. It's really cool here. Everyone's fishing right now. Over there's that should be on the Shocks Mill Bridge and Susquehanna Riverland State Park from the south, east, and over there, right there is the Fallen Out Boat Launch, and over there is where Middletown and Harrisburg flying Goldsboro, heading north, west, yeah. So yeah, this is me on the Yorkhaven catwalk at the Yorkhaven hydroelectric plant, Yorkhaven, Pennsylvania, for the first time.